everybody, and welcome to our cabin. We are cabin number 12734 on board the Symphony of the Seas this week. We are doing a Mediterranean cruise hitting France, Italy, and Spain. We're currently embarking right now in Barcelona. So right when you walk in, this is our lovely little entryway. There is storage here. There's tons of storage in this room. Shelving, hanging storage, an additional hanging bar that you can drop down below, as well as another closet this way with some robes and tons of hangers, which if you know Paul, he loves to hang his everything. Down below over here, we have a mini fridge. It's pretty chill. Seems like a fridge, not just a cooler. And then heading to the right-hand side is our bedroom. So we have a one bedroom. There's a nice vanity over here, nice and large with some great lighting. Tons of shelving here as well. USB ports over here for charging. They have a European outlet and two American outlets on this side. Again, hair dryer, more storage. There's just like so many drawers and so many things. Then we have a TV, nice flat screen TV with some additional storage here. Traveling as a family of 5, this storage is amazing for us. I'm so excited to have it, especially on a long trip. And then we have our hanging here as well as some laundry, which we are definitely going to be sending out some laundry this trip. And then another closet. So this closet is mainly just shelving, nice and deep shelves, and the safe up here, which the safe is definitely large enough for our laptops to fit in there, which is very nice. Heading this way into the bathroom. There's only one bathroom in this suite, but it does have a bathtub, which is really nice, especially with the baby. So it's like a full-size bathtub. There's nothing small about it for being on a cruise ship. And this is nice so you can get in and out. It's kind of like a little European thing. And then a nice, pretty good-sized vanity here. And the suites also come with amenities, whereas if you're cruising Royal and you're in a standard room, it does not have amenities. So keep that in mind, because I know if you're used to cruising like Disney or something, they offer amenities in your staterooms. Royal does not, or they do, but it's kind of like an all-in-one shower gel. So we have a balcony off of our bedroom over here. So heading out this way, you can check out the Port of Barcelona. We have some loungers as well, and it's a beautiful, beautiful day in Barcelona. Sunny, probably a high of 68. So now we will head this way and show you kind of our living space. So we are Sky Class suite. So they have multiple suite levels. They have the Star Class, the Sky Class, and the C Class. So we're the mid-level, which means we have access to Coastal Kitchen 24 hours a day. We have access to the suite lounge. We also have access to in-room dining. So anything that we want to eat off any of the menus on the ship, we can order, and our concierge will bring it to us here. So we have a table for 4 in our living area. Also have another flat screen TV. We received a complimentary bottle of champagne on arrival, as well as a fruit plate. And then this is our living space, which this couch will turn into a double bed for the big boys, and then the baby will sleep in a pack and play. And this room is just so gorgeous. It's floor to ceiling windows all around, even like in the corners. And right from inside, you have a perfect view of the AquaTheatre as well as the rock climbing wall. So we're on deck 12. We're on pretty much one of the highest decks of the AquaTheatre suites. Heading this way is just another vanity for getting ready. Again, tons of storage, very similar to the other vanity in the bedroom. We have a coffee maker here, tea and coffee. And then what we really love about this room is the balcony. So this balcony wraps around over here to our bedroom, the one bedroom. You can also access it this way. So if you want to look out and face the ocean, you would sit on this side, have a little bit more privacy. And then if you know us, you know we love our aft balconies. So that's one of the reasons why we booked this suite. But again, we also have perfect aft facing view here. And then in the evening, we have a perfect view of the AquaTheatre. So we'll be able to view the show over here, as well as see what's going on the boardwalk, and just kind of sit and people watch. But there is some additional loungers, as well as some outdoor dining. And then we have some bar top stools in the corner, so that way we can watch the AquaTheatre. And it's really nice in this corner because it's not windy and it's kind of tucked away. It's a little bit protected and shielded. So yeah, this is a nice little nook over here. I like this. But this view is fantastic. Thank you for following along, everybody. Please follow us at Paul and Ashley Magic Vacation Planners on Facebook. And if you're interested in booking a cruise on Royal or any cruise line, please give us a shout. Thanks. Thanks for watching and safe travels.